Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a flip through of my Project Life album. This is quarter 3, so it'll be July, August, and September. I have completed all of it and I would like to do a flip through. Probably posted before this one was just my approach, in which you will get further detail as to how I go about putting these pages together. So here we are for July. This was a pattern paper from Vicky Boutin. Just some books I was reading, shoes I had gotten, Valentina eating pizza, toys for the pool, days at the beach. I put some washi tape here to keep this coin from the zoo from falling out too much. It's one of those like pressed penny machines. And then Valentina was sick a little bit there. Had a photo shoot with my in-laws and my aunts and all the grandbabies together. This card is from Allie Edwards. This is also, I want to say, an Allie Edwards card. This is from Kaiser Crafts. Oh, shouldn't have probably had that one. That was just a cute little photo of my tits. And then I made this a flip out for my mother-in-law's birthday. Here, walking, this is just some Project Life cards in my stash, some Happy Planner stickers, visitor, what else can I show? Did a little insert for the Olympics showing all like the gold medal winners, and then what occurred with Simone Biles taking a break, and then some more gold medal winning athletes there. So just a half spread. I do have these inserts available in my collection, so I just added that to mark the Olympics. This was just a flip through of an Instagram account that I agreed with about what's going on in our country. August, this was pattern paper from a paper pad from Michaels. This was a funny meme that a cherry on top put, going to the zoo again, her and her cousins. Pool time fun. This is an old Studio Calico filler card. These cards are from Elle Studio as well. Going to the museum. This is like Dolphin Fan Appreciation Day. This is truly just an index card. So I keep a pack of just 4x6 index cards as either a base to mat something, or I like them as journaling cards and they already have their lines. They're pretty simple. These stamps are from Carrie Bradford, and the font is Delani. So school is getting started here. This is packaging from her mask to wear to school. This is Hobby Lobby paper. This was just the branding strip to some paper that actually worked well because it was my niece's birthday. Just branding strips too, another birthday parties. Sorry, I'm covering this up, so it's had information I shouldn't have had here. Book fair at school. She had a Scholastic book fair already, walking with Maui. And then September, so this is matching pattern paper. I believe it's a Studio Calico too. That is some journaling I should have covered up too. Birthday parties, sorry. Should have done this a little bit better. Some journaling. Miguel had some surgery. We had a Disney on Ice experience again. This is Mombi cards, and I think this is a Mombi card too in my stash. Keeping the blues going together. This was just pattern paper that I cut to fit this spot because I needed something blue to tie this all together. This is an old Mombi card too. And then these are puffy stickers from an older Maggie Holmes collection that I just put straight on top of the page protector. So I have 1, 2, and 3. Always get that triangle going. This is an old Project Life card that I cut down that had rounded corners and then just put on another Project Life card. Oh, and that's a puffy sticker too. And a collection from this Project Life card from my collection too. So that ends that, because the next is October that we're starting. So there you go. So like I said, this was July, August, and September. Very easy monthly approach to this project, but basically always photo heavy. My journaling is kept elsewhere in my memory planner, and I love the way some of these spreads came out. It just definitely is an easy way to chronologically show what events happened in life this year so far, and it's been a really good project to keep up with. I love this one. This one is probably Project Life I've done, let me see how many years. 6 years on my shelf. I just had to look at my shelf. when I got into project life. And so I will link down below the other flip throughs to all these layouts from the beginning of the year, if you care to look for further inspiration. Okay, till next time, everyone. Bye.